we have mating wiring harnesses. This one is for your 120 volt power. We have two versions of the TextLight. You can get one for 12 volt DC, which works on battery or a solar panel. But since we're mounting this on a pumping station control panel, we're going to use the 120 volt version of the TextLight. We've got the black, that's our hot wire for 120. Green, that's our ground wire, and white, that's our neutral. So that's going to plug into one of our harnesses. And you can only plug these in one way, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in the wrong way. And they clip into place. And then the other wiring harness is for your alarm signals and your backup battery. So the red and blue wire is for your backup battery. The two yellow wires are for alarm channel number 1, and the two orange wires are for alarm channel number 2. And there's no polarity on these wires. Okay, so I'm going to plug in this harness like that. And then you'll need to determine where you have 120 volts available in your control panel. In a typical control panel, there's many locations where you can pick up 120 volts. But in my control panel, terminal 5 down here has 120 volts. Terminal A2 is my neutral. And then my ground terminals over here, I have a dedicated ground lug. So those are the terminals I'm going to use to make my terminations. So I'll take my green wire and hook it to the ground lug. Oops. And then my hot wire, the black wire, to terminal 5. And then my white wire, the neutral, to terminal A2. Now, if you don't do wiring for a living and looking in a control panel looks intimidating, what I would recommend is that for this step, you hire an electrician and they'll make the wiring terminations for you.